Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Fake life. I know say wetin I want talk swear. We won't quarrel now. Now we won't quarrel. Una no quarrel with me because na true I dey talk because una know say me na madam talk and I must talk as e be. I no sabi do corner. I know say wetin I want talk so me and some people go quarrel. Fake life. Okay, hi guys, in case you are seeing me for the first time, this your girl Love It Inyam. In case you like this video, don't forget to give me thumbs up and don't forget to drop your comment and don't forget to share my video to your friends. Invite people to watch to see what dey happen for the country, to see the kind of life we dey live. Not so many people they like this kind of topic. They like this kind of thing why they put. They like my con they shake my nyash gbeg. And me I don't want shake my nyash. Now waiting they bother me now waiting I dey see. Now me won't talk and some people they like am and I don't know so fake life people I'm here for una. I don't come una know now me I know they mama no dey close so as as I see am I dey talk am now you see am so if we will quarrel we go settle. Yes, sisters brothers dey quarrel dey settle na so go be. So my people una forgive me for wetin I want to but I go talk am. Yes, I no fit close my mouth because if I close my mouth it's a close destiny. Okay, we dey live fake life. Number one, people do fake life. They never eat meat for their house. But when they want do video, they'll come pack chicken, put for one side, pack craft, put show us for camera like say na so they eat am. Na so una dey eat am for una house, una let una tell me. Because that one na fake life. I'm not sure say na wetin you dey eat for your house. Na because of say you won't do that video. Now you make it dey show us. Okay, that one we understand video. Number one, I understand that one. You want to show us for okay. But no be the life wey dey live for your house. No be wetin you dey shop every day. Now you dey show us for video. Carry craft, carry camera, show am who dey see. No be wetin you dey shop. That one na still fake life. Yes. Number two, you dey for your house. Your husband they call am Peter. Your wife they call am Mary. Come here. This thing wey dirty. Una see visitor now come una house na the phone. Honey, baby, oh, baby, hey. Una they knock each other head for house. Una see visitor now they form love. Now so una they form love. Una they call each other name. Now even they quarrel and say, but una see visitor. Una they pretend like things they okay. Now fake life. Una show una real character as I make people see una. Yes, you they drink tap water. You see visitor come your place, you go carry can water come. Where you won't give visitor drink. Where you won't show say that they can't lie with they live. No be that life they live. You they live normal life. But when visitors see you, now go feel say na this kind of life they live, na enjoyment life. You they drink tap water. Why not you continue with that tap water? Make people see say na tap water they drink. You won't show that self. And if the visitor go, you no go drink that tap water. You go come back. You go even package that water keep for another visitor. And not be the life where they live. Is it 2 or 3? I don't even know. 3 or 4? 3, 4. Okay. Number 4. In case I make mistake. Okay. Number 4. You dey use bedsheet for 2 years. You never change the bedsheet. The bedsheet self don't tear, they manage am. As a yes say visitor they come. Hey. You don't enter market. Go buy bedsheet, new one. You spray am for bed. Like say na the bedsheet where they use they sleep. Liar people. Women you we go get fire. Now only God go fit save us for this fake life. She say na celebrity na they live fake life. We poor people say we dey live fake life. Fake life now we dey live. Yes, na talk am. Na fake life we dey live. You bedsheet go old. No go fit change am. Go there they do echo. You no want change the bedsheet. But as yes, a visitor they come. That day go enter market go find money buy bedsheet. As the visitor go bam. You don't fold that bedsheet keep for the next visitor. You don't come back to your normal life. Yes, me self see they do am. I no go talk. Me I see they do am. Now see fake life too I dey live because I no go talk say I be perfect. Yes, your friend, your house dirty, you need to fit clean your house anytime wey your house, the person come your house dey order na the normal life wey una dey live. But because of say visitor dey come, you go pepper everywhere, throw air freshener everywhere, go dey scent. Na the life wey you dey live, talk true, no be the life una dey live, na fake life be that. Yes, na fake life. You dey waka, you dey waka o, as a girl or married woman, cause some of them na dey toast some men outside. You dey waka because of say you see guy wey you like am, your movement change, and not be like that you dey waka o because of say you wan catch that guy. Go dey, when guy go call you, wey go talk your normal sense, you go dey do access. I live in UK, I'm just coming back just now. You wey dey speak pidgin the way I dey knack am, you don twist am because you want to catch that guy. Na fake life. Yes, you get wey dey pretend because you want to catch that man. You no wan show the man your real character. You dey do good girl, food wey you no sabi cook, you dey form now say you sabi cook the food. You dey form cleaning, dey do housewife things, and you no sabi do am. Wey go show your real self, make the man love you, make the man know wetin the load wey dey carry, know say wife wey dey marry no sabi cook, you no sabi clean, na nyanga girl e dey marry. Una go pretend, men go marry una put for house, una go reach there, una dey suffer people men. That una wetin? Fake life. Fake life no be nothing. Who dey carry car, dey drive, wey we dey call celebrity, dey live fake life. We no even get, who dey waka for leg, we no get bicycle. Now we live fake life. If dem see truth, make dem talk. I know say many of una no dey like this message. Yes, me as I dey so I still dey live fake life, but we go try to dey live our normal life. We go come. Access we will not get. I live in UK. I'm just coming back. I'm doing my master. And you, because of say you live in UK, you don't have the accent. They born you for Nigeria before you live there, before you travel. But because you come, I don't speak Nigeria. Oh, hey, fake life. Because of say your nyash, men, you know they feel catch men. Your nyash flat, or some men like nyash. Me say so many men like nyash. Go carry cream, you rub your nyash to get nyash so that you can attract men come your life. And not be so God creates you, God just like your particular. Now God say that, God see you say that nyash will give you a now it go fit you. But you tell God say no. God, you no do me well. You go do your own nyash put. They waka, they confuse people for road. That one are waiting fake life. We will live our genuine life. See, all this hair we they put like this. This hair, if it not be my wig, if it not be my hair, but because I say I want to go out, I want people to see say I belong. I want to wear hair, and this hair not be my own. If I can't put give the honor. What did they call this life? Now fake life. Now fake life be this. We will learn how to live. You see, you go person you go dress peck. You go see some kind of people where go feel say now wow, I want see that make don't live the life. Don't see somebody and say I want to live that life. You go die, yo, because you go see that girl wear bow straight with one long reach back. Not be hell. Now fake life they live. Oh, live life according to your code. Cut your code according to your side. Who hear what? Who want to hear? Who they hear what? Hear me. Who no want hear what? Continue. We all of us now fake life we dey live for. Celebrity, not celebrity. Fake life. Fake life na fake life. Yes. You go man house, man go touch you as a girl. Your sister, your friend ask you say, how far for this guy now? But they talk and say, now wow, I don't like him. The guy don't shop you. Yes. The guy don't shop you, but they tell your girlfriend say, he never touched my breast. He still they like, I still observe when you don't shop you reach 5 times. You they form. It's fake life. talk truth. Say yes, una don do, una don chop. Yes. Why? I don't know. People go dey do man and one something, man and woman something. Una dey chop am, but una go dey hide. Na go do am. When una dey hide, na still fake life. Yes. Dey live life wey no be your own. Live life where God give you. Oh, fake life too plenty our life, including me wey I dey talk to. Na fake life too. Oh. Yes. Na fake life. Me sef too, I don't know whether na me be number one. So I go see chicken for where I dey see some people that say na wow, these people dey enjoy you. I go see turkey and everything, snail, crab, big one. Na lie, no be wetin dey chop every day. Oh. But that one maybe na once a year. That dey chop am. If I thought sef na that last money, na dey take buy that thing. But when you see am, these people dey enjoy you. Na lie, don't kill yourself. If you follow people, you enter prison. Don't call me. I love una, na make I call you. Don't live fake life. This video is fake life. Abi? So I love you guys. I will see you some other time. I love you so much. I love you so much. Bye guys. Stop living fake life. Fake life is not for you. Yes. Bye. I love you.